I'm Ritika Aurora from India, and I've been a professional artist since the time I completed my mastery program, and now I've been working as a mentor for the institute, and I'm just super happy and excited to share the knowledge I've gained over years. Today I will be showing you how I work with my textures and my backgrounds and how I incorporate my own motives and something that is really close to my heart into the backgrounds, into the textures, creating different forms and patterns from the henna that we used in our culture. Henna is a big part of our culture, so whatever festivities happen or it starts, it's always start with getting henna done on your hands, and I've been really into it since I was a little girl and love that, love getting it done whenever these festivities are about to begin. So it's been a big part of me and I really wanted to incorporate it somehow in my painting. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I would just have a basic idea of what I'm going to do, but I just feel my way through it. So I'll be incorporating modeling paste, crackle paste, bead gel all together, but sparingly at places or wherever I would just feel like, and I will draw into patterns in the texture here. So just applying the modeling paste sparingly, not too thick, not too thin, because I want different kind of textures here. So this is a stencil that I'll be just using and creating a pattern, but I don't want anything to be like really right in the face, so it'll just be, this is the crackle paste that I'm using. So now I'm scratching into the modeling paste that I already have here. This is just like a subtracting tool that I'm using, and I'm just making patterns that we use in henna. You just need to be careful. You don't want to be making these peaks that are just, coming up. They really don't look that great when the final things come out. So I'm just feeling my way through it. I've been getting this henna designs, always, and I really find it how it is interesting to just, feel your way through it and just recreating those patterns that I've sometime at some point in my life I've got that done on my hands. You definitely can find inspiration for it on Pinterest, and we do it on our hands and our feet. So, and it's especially done around this time when the festivities begin. I'm just keeping in mind to have a variety of sizes and variety of patterns, not just one thing going over and over again. So variety always adds meaning and a lot of depth to a painting, so definitely that is to be kept in mind while you're doing that. Now I'm using bead gel to just add another texture to it. I'm covering a little bit of the edges so you don't have any tangent edges or something is like, right, not into your face. It's just as if it is evolving. This is just a subtractive tool and basically nothing else. I might use a pencil to scratch, but I think it's just working well, so I'm not really using anything else. So now I'm scratching into the crackle paste. So, just bringing it all together so that something is not just on its own and just playing around. You can be just very creative in finding your own ways to do it or just handle it and just feel your way through it. This is like a thicker edge, so just blending it in and making it a little flatter, and it totally depends upon you how you want to work with it. You want to cover the entire thing or but I generally like covering the entire thing. I also like incorporating collage sometimes with this. So I'm just kind of, thinking that if I want to turn it into a painting, so what would be the focal point, or how it would work. So I think I've got it right and I have enough variety. And if I want to paint it later, maybe, this can be the focal point and I'll feel my way through it and, go around that. But I think I'm happy about how the texture looks right now because it has a variety of something, but it is not too loud or it doesn't say that, something very strongly. But yeah, I mean, like one pattern is just not coming right in your face, but then you have to feel through it, because I feel it is very important that when the viewer sees your painting, they should spend some time to make out what you've done or how you've done or what was the artist feeling that at that moment of time, or how a certain thing was done. So I always like that the things are overlapped and there are a lot of layers and you take some time to make out how it was done. So yeah, I hope you feel inspired looking at my way of dealing with texture and you want to try some of your own cool ways or maybe incorporate some of your symbols that mean a ton to you. So let's see what you do and maybe share in the comments.